Hey guys, welcome back to another Coach's Corner. I'm Coach David Mathas, and I want to thank you guys for checking out our channel and all the support that you give Team Biolayne. We all really appreciate it, and we hope that we're making a difference for you guys. Today's video, I wanted to talk about maintenance calories. So maintenance calories, a lot of people feel is a very stagnant number. For example, 2,300 calories, right? A lot of people might be around that range and they think that that is their maintenance calories. And then they go a little bit less or a little bit more, and they're not really gaining or losing weight, and they can't really figure out why. The reason is because maintenance calories is not a stagnant number, it's a range. A range that can get up to as much as 10 or 15% in either direction, right? So that's why sometimes when you see, maybe you do like a 50 calorie deficit one day or a 50 calorie surplus or 100 calorie, even that much, you might not see any change in your weight and you might be thinking, why is this happening? Well, there's a lot of factors that go into determining weight gain and weight loss. Stress, digestion, water intake, sodium, activity or lack of activity, sleep, you name it. There's a lot of factors that go into whether or not we're gaining or losing weight. However, we have to understand that the reason there's a range for maintenance calories is because of our n.e.a.t, all right, our non-exercise activity thermogenesis. A lot of the stuff I'm doing right now, moving my hands, right? That stuff plays a factor into how our body is going to respond, right? So maybe we eat like 100 calories less one day below what we perceive our maintenance to be, but we don't lose any weight. And you might be thinking, how is this possible? Well, a lot of times subconsciously, as we're decreasing calories, we are kind of maybe not exerting as much n.e.a.t, as much energy output. These things I'm doing right now, right? The fidgeting, the tapping of your foot at your desk, whatever it may be that you do, might not be happening. And it might not seem like that's a lot of extra energy expenditure, but it could be enough just to maintain your weight on that 100 calories below what you think your maintenance calories are. Same holds true going the opposite direction. Maybe one day you eat 100, 150 or something calories over what you think your maintenance calories are, but you don't gain weight. Your n.e.a.t tends to increase as calorie intake goes up, meaning your body has more energy, it's more likely to want to burn things off, kind of be a little bit more active. Thus, it's negating that extra calorie increase by the extra energy expenditure, maintaining your weight at the same level. See what I mean? So don't get frustrated if you are making these small changes and you're not seeing any drastic results from it, okay? You might not be out of the range of your maintenance calories. I always tell people, let's start small. Right? Let's start conservative and see what we can get away with, but don't be surprised if we have to get a little bit more aggressive, either if you're going on a bulking phase or if you're going down in a fat loss phase. Don't be surprised if we have to get a little bit more aggressive and maybe drop 25% or so below what you think your maintenance calories are before we start seeing some results. That's very normal, that's very natural, and that is something that should not bother you, okay? Hopefully this video gives you and arms you with more information that you can have at your disposal so that these situations, when they occur, you don't stress out, all right? You understand, you're more knowledgeable, you're armed with this information to understand why things may or may not be happening with your maintenance calories, right? So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this helped explain a little bit of some confusion out there. If you guys are interested in coaching, you can get a hold of me, david@biolayne.com. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. It's @Mathas Fitness, M-A-T-H-A-S Fitness. And we'll be back with another Coach's Corner video here for you soon. Thank you guys so much.